Yes. So, welcome to the part 2 of RTP. So, in part 1, we went through the MCQs. So, let us continue the discussion on descriptive. Question number 17. Beautiful question again. Keep your notes open. Quickly, we'll write. Okay, whatever maximum we can, then we'll compare. This question is about company opts for concession regime under 115 bar. And turnover of the company in the previous year, 1920, is 402 crores. 400 crore is the limit, if you're aware. So 115 bar, you may be knowing the sections, but nevertheless, just for recalling, let me just take you through the provisions once. All of you in the class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tax rates for companies, extremely important. Yeah, this table. Extremely important table of the regular class. So normal tax rates for a domestic companies, it's here. Turnover 1920, it's not 1718. 1920 turnover ke baad, based on 1920 turnover. Okay. So if your turnover is less than or equal to 400 crore, it's 25%. Above that, it's 30%. However, concession rates of tax, we have got 3 sections. 115 bar is applicable for any domestic manufacturing company set up on or after 1st March 2016. The rate is 25%. 115 bar. 115 bar is any all domestic company, whether it is manufacturing or not, the tax rate is 22%. 115 babu is a manufacturing company set up on or after 1/10/2019. For your syllabus, it is 31st March 2023 se pehle manufacturing varna chahiye. Now they extended it to 2024. That is a 2022 budget. So the tax rate is how much? 15%. I repeat. Normally, the tax rate for a domestic company is 30%. If the turnover in previous year 1920 is below 400 crores, less than or equal to 400 crores, it is 25% straight away. And that 25% only, you can claim all the benefit deduction, everything. Whereas these 3 sections say if you forgo certain benefits, 32(1)(2)(a) benefits, etc., then any domestic company, 2016 if you have started, it is 25%. 1/10/19 ke baad, if you have started up to 31st March 2023, if you have started, it is a 15%. Whereas any other domestic company, whether incorporated yesterday, today, or 10 years back, as long as it is ready to forgo some benefit, it is 22%. So 115 bar is 22%. 150 babu is 15%. Since the tax rate is the least for them, flat surcharge of 10% from rupee 1. Surcharge of how much? Flat 10%. 10% for both of them. Okay. So both this company, and for them, MAT is not applicable because you are paying the least tax. So you will be foregoing all these benefits. What are the benefits, sir? 115 BA, etc. 32(1)(2) additional depreciation nahi milega. Then 35(1)(2)(2)(a)(3). This is about scientific research, donations to an institution, donation to a company, then social science or statistical research. All these are not available. Then you will get the benefit. Somewhere write down quickly. Tax rates of companies. All of you should be knowing quick and fast. Tax rates for companies. 2 big aramas. Extreme right. Foreign company, 40%. Surcharge 2% bar 5%. Above 1 crore and above 10 crore total income. Correct? Yeah. Left side, domestic company. Domestic company, 2 RMRs. By availing normal benefits, by availing normal benefits. Under that, turnover in top tax rate for company previous year in number 21, 22. All these calculations are for 21, 22. Previous year 21, 22. So left side, by availing all benefits. Under that, turnover in previous year 1920. Our tax rate depends on turnover of 1920. Yaad hai? 1920 less than or equal to 400 crores. Less than or equal to turnover 400 crores, 25%. Below that, else 30%. You still get the benefits. Right side, concessional rates by foregoing. Almost all the sections have got a similar foregoing. By foregoing 32(1)(2)(a) additional depreciation. 32 within the bracket 1 within the bracket IIA. Additional depreciation of 20%. Normal depreciation sigate. Comma 35 within the bracket 1. Clause 2. 35 within the bracket 1. Clause 2 is when you give contribution to institution, etc. for scientific research. Comma within the bracket 2A is donation to a company. 35(1)(2), 35(1)(2)A, 3 donation to institution for social science or statistical research. 35(2)AA. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಯಾಕೆ 32AD ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 32AD ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 35(2)AA ನೋ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಅಥವಾ IIT. 35(2)AB 35(2)AB ನೋ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ತರ ಇನ್ ಹೌಸ್
biotechnology companies.
Biotechnology companies. 35AD 35 is scientific research ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, scientific research. Next 35AD, 35 CCC triple C, 35 CCD. Agricultural Extension Project is CCC. CCD is
skill development by companies.
Konda and his girlfriend going to cafe coffee day is a skill. Adike there's a company. It is only for companies. Alone why will you go to cafe coffee day? Pagalekya. 35 CD, chapter 6A, entire chapter 6A, except
other than 80JJAA.
80JJAA and 115 ಬಾಗೆ 80M ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ 80JJAA and 80M 115 ಬಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ 80M ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
80JJAA and 80M is available for 115 ಬಾ and ಬಾಬು. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಬರಿ 80M. 80JJAA is additional wages 30%. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 80M is for 115 ಬಾ and 115 ಬಾಬು. ಅದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ 115 ಬಾಗ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೋ 35(1)(2), 35(1)(2)A, 35(1)(3), 35(2)AA, 35(2A) ಎಲ್ಲ scientific research. 35AD, 35CCC, 35CCD ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿದ್ದು. ದೆನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6A ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 80JJAA ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 80JJ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. 80M is available for 115 ಬಾ and 115 ಬಾಬು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? 80M is intercorporate dividends. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಿ. 80M domestic company receiving dividend. Domestic company receiving dividend from another domestic company, foreign company or business trust. Another domestic company, foreign company or business trust. Deduction is an important section again. Amendment again last year. Deduction is 2 RMS. Dividend received supra. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? Or right side, dividend distributed before dividend distributed before due date. Stupid way of the explaining due date. Before due date. Right side, left side, right side. Before dividend distributed before due date, which is the bracket. What is due date? 1 month before 139.1. They got a simply said specified date. Alva. 44 A will specified date. So dividend distributed within what's happening. This is awesome. This is a replacement method. Anshuman went out, Anshuman came. Sorry, Kondai came. Kondai went out, Anshuman came. Replacement method. Kondai just moment you entered, you threw him out. Kondai. Ayyo. Very. So within 131 due date, connect 100, whichever is less. So what does ATM says, Sadhya? Whatever the dividend you received from any company, domestic, foreign, business trust. But this section is only for domestic company. Domestic company receiving from another company, or whatever amount you received, or what you distributed within 139.1 due date. Actually, 131 due date is the 1 month before. That is basically 30th November, 31st October, 31st October, 30th September. 1 month before, whichever is earlier, whichever is less. Sorry. This is the, in this question, all these are there. Also note one more. This is a question though. Also note transfer of asset to 100% subsidiary or 100%
Not.
holding Indian company. Being Indian company, transfer should be an Indian company. Comma, in the course of amalgamation, demerger, etc.
It's not transfer.
Not a transfer. Not a transfer, hence no capital gain. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
This is a one big question where everything else is small question. Okay, this one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ detail ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. So this question number 17 alama 17. Sorry, section 17. They said they want to opt for 115 bar, right? 115 BAA. Therefore, forgo the benefit supra. And tax rate is 22%. 115 BAA is 22%. 115 BAB with the least there, 15%. Can you remember, Sudha madam? Next year, same with the law. So, tax particulars rupees. Question number 17. Short and fast bury. Automobile company engage in the 115 BA badre manufacturer agಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ 115 BA ಆದ್ರೆ it can be any domestic company ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀರಾ 115 BA ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ we didn't write ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ
Not applicable.
foreign company we wrote, that's a domestic company left side ಆಯ್ತು right side ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಿದೆ ನೀವು ಸಾರಿ 115 BA, 115 BA, domestic manufacturing company, registered on or after 1st March 2016. NDA government ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ almost it is the 1st February the due date, budget. But ಇದು second term ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 28th February was the budget date. 28th February next day is 1st March. That's the logic. So set up on or after 1st March 2016. 115 BA 25%. Surcharge 7% by 12%. Above 1 crore or 7%. Above 10 crore or 12%. What
Yes, sir.
semicolon. Next. MAT applies. 115 BA ಗೆ MAT applies. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ. Next, below that only 115 BA. 115 BAA. Any domestic company, old or new. $22%. But ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ATM forget only for 150 BA and 150 BA ಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 22%. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್?
Wait.
22%.
12%. Next B19 115 Bob BAB, domestic manufacturing company, set up on or after 1/10/19. 1/10/19, but commence manufacture before new syllabus ಗೆ ಒಂದಿಶ Sandhya and Sudha don't write. Commence manufacture before 31st March 2023. November 22 friends. 31st March 2023. Sudha ಮತ್ತೆ Sandhya 31st March 2024. ಅದು ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್? ಸುನಿಜ 15%.
15%.
15%.
ಅದೇ 115 ಬಾ ಮತ್ತೆ 115 BAB ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿ surcharge flat 10% from rupee 1. Hence no mat. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Is the crux. Shall we? ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ even if you miss 1 or 2 points, probably 14 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ you lose around 2 marks. Almost steps ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And I told you in the regular DT class as well as revision class, you have to write why this is allowed, why it is not allowed. Write answer with the reasoning. For allowance by disallowance, write with reasons. Reason barilladre you don't get the marks. With the reasons, say section bar, case law bar, notification. With section gottilla no paragilla. At least you write the gist. Section bar, case law. Notification gottilla. Start. Particulars rupees. Net profit 950 lakh. So be careful again. After debit or credit ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು additional information ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? This is not a part of the. This is not a part of P&L. This is extra. These all things are already part of P&L. Shall we? Third part.
Yes.
Add 90 lakh. Next depreciation add back 280 lakh. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಿಗೆ? ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 280 lakh ಆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಟು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಏನು 37 within the bracket 2 donation to a political party is not allowed. 37 sorry, I'm sorry, 37 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. Donation 12 lakh. 37 2B is what political party ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. 37 1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್ 12 lakh. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಿದಿನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್
80 GGB.
80 GGB. However, for 115 bar, no.
It is disallowed. 115 BIS.
Eligible for donation for 80 GGB for Indian company, 80 GGC for others. ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 115 BA ಆಗಿರೋದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6 ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 80 JJAA and ATM. Yeah. So donation to political party business income ಅಲ್ಲಿ disallowed. Gross total income ಇಂದ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. But since you are opting for 115 BAA, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 80 GGB ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Did you note it down? Disallowed under PGBP. It's like a personal expense. However, allowed normal under 80 GGB if it's a company. However, here no, since 115 bar opted. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ? This is how the beauty of next. ಇದು ಓದಮ್ಮ.
Company has paid rupees 50 lakh on 15/8/2021 to a research institution recognized and notified by the central government.
115 bar is not allowed. Donation prescribed in 35(1). Donation prescribed under section 35 within the bracket 1 within the bracket II. Since 115 bar is opted. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. And why are you adding back? It is deducted. Suppose if it is not 115 bar, you should have ignored it. That's it. It is deductible. It is already deducted. Ignore it. समझ में आ रहा है, अशोक? Yeah, 115 bar. Since it is a 115 bar after. Next.
Dividend received from foreign company of rupees 15 lakh in which it holds 30% of the equity share capital.
10 example noted. This question is common, this adjustment. So leave around 5-6 lines. Example. You don't have to do like this one, but preferably go by first add less. Add plus minus within the bracket. Adjustment on the barbito. But preferably all add together, less together. Leave around 6 to 8 lines, less. Dividend credited. Dividend from foreign company credited. 115 BBD and one section is 26% and Jati there.
Yes, sir.
Dividend from a foreign company within the bracket 115 BBD when you hold more than required 26%. So 15 lakh within the bracket. Next, Udama.
Long-term capital gain of 4 lakh on sale of equity shares on which STT was paid at the time of acquisition and sale.
They are not business incomes. They are LTCG. Remove money. Less number 2. LTCG 4 lakh. LTCG 4 lakh. 112 capital gain. If you have paid STT on both purchase as well as sale. 112 capital gain 4 lakh which is the bracket. Next.
Interest at 10% per annum on 4 crore 20 lakh being amount borrowed from State Bank of India on 1/6/2021 for purchase of machinery. The interest outstanding as on 31st March 2022 was paid on 1/12/2022.
43B. Capital expense.
Leave for this answer, main answer. Leave one of big page. This adjustment is very important. And beautiful adjustment, Ashish. Multiple questions are valid. Loan borrowed. Loan borrowed. Within the bracket, link it. Blink it. Link it. It's one important adjustment. Most of us will miss it. Since I am doing it on a regular basis, the moment I see the adjustment, I know there is something else. Link it. Loan borrowed. 420 lakh on 1/6/2021. Total interest 420 lakh into 10 by 100 into how many months? Quick.
10 by 12.
10 by 12. Very good. Very good. Super. Excellent. Very good. You're responding very well. 420 lakh into 10 by 100 into 10 by 2.
9 months.
ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ. 1st June ಸರ್ ಅದು 1st June 30th June ಅಲ್ಲ. 1st June 31st March ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ 10 months. 10 by 12 ಇದೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. 10 by 12 months ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಟೋಟಲ್?
35 lakh.
ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. 9 out of 10 questions ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ದೇವರು?
Yes, sir.
Plant and machinery ಓದಮ್ಮ.
Plant and machinery rupees 5 crore installed and put to use on 1/1/2022.
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಈ ಲೋನ್ಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ. But 420 lakh loan you have taken, you have purchased the machinery for 500 lakh. That means adu connection kodbeku. Alli pakka bari. Plant and machinery installed and put to use. Ella mada ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಸು ಹಾಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. So plant and machinery installed on 1/1/2022. 2 hour marks. Therefore, interest capitalized. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
35 lakh into 7 by 10 months. 7 by 10 months. Okay. 1st June in the 1st January ವರೆಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇದೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 35 lakh into 10 by 7 months. ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 by 10 months. 7 by 10 months. 35 lakh. 7 by 10 months. ಎಷ್ಟು?
24.5.
24,50,000 capitalized. That is added to cost of plant. Beauty. Tumba easy. Idian complication illa idu. Added to cost of the plant. Therefore, total cost of the plant 524.50 lakh. So I say so. The plant and machinery cost is 500 lakh ide.
Plus 24.5.
524.50 lakh. Depreciation 15% for
Plant and machine.
plant. 15%. Consider half.
1st January.
Since put to use for less than or equal to 180 days. Inge. It is definitely not complicated law. But we link madak martogti now. Hello on kade. Only first day full half martogti. You have put to use only from 1st January. That means you have to capitalize the and claim only half of the normal depreciation. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So beautiful adjustment. Below that, ali 24.5 star haki kelage barri. 43B not attracted. If you are not paid also baad mein gaya. Right side. Balance interest rate. Balance interest rate.
10.4.
10.5. 3 months. 3 months. Normally allowed under 36(1)(3). 36 subsection 1 clause 3. But disallowed due to 43B since paid beyond 139(1) due date. Beautiful adjustment. Enjoy. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ರೀಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೋನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೋನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಬಾರೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಬಟ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಶೂರ್ ಬಾಪನ್ನ So I repeat, you have borrowed the loan 420 lakh. 420 lakh loan has been used for purchase of plant with 500 lakh. 80 lakh you would have paid from your pocket or your own funds. So that interest of 10 months, 7 months has to be capitalized, whether it paid within due date or not. 3 months is revenue expenditure. To be claimed as an expenditure, it should have been paid within 131 due date. You are not paid, so it's not allowed in the current year. It's allowed in the next year. Everybody understood, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Clearly understood? Any confusion about this? Anshuman, you can use someone mobile, no? Mobile kuch nahi hai kya?
This is fine right now.
Not fine, right? Okay. So the important adjustment I'll explain for you. Starting make adjustment you have taken a 420 lakh loan on 1st June. So 1st June to 31st March, 10 months ka interest calculate 35 lakh. Then they said this loan is to purchase of machinery, full stop. Separately, there is one information about plant and machinery purchased and installed on 1st January 2022. So you should connect these two adjustments. So that 35 lakh interest में 7 months का capitalize करो, 3 months का revenue. But revenue could not be allowed because it is paid beyond 131 due date. समझ में आ गया?
Okay.
So below that you write, all of you. You can take it from Ashish or Srini Jayara. Below that, due date for company 31st October 22. Transfer pricing is not mentioned. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now plant and machinery alwa. Plant and machinery additional depreciation alwa.
115B.
Excellent. That's the point. That's the point. Again, no additional depreciation since 115 by is opted. You by mistake miss ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, but that miss is right. Sometimes miss also miss right ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Alva. So, you need 115. No additional depreciation on 32(1)(2)(a), 20% normally, which is not permissible for 115 Ba and Babu and BA. Beauty, enjoyed. Trust me, 115 Ba and Babu, 100% question again. 100%. And then you remind me, which are the common questions is going to be asked before YouTube conclusion. Okay, now?
Yes.
This is a beautiful adjustment, don't miss it. Now come back. So interest का क्या करना है आपको? Interest
10.5.
Add back 35 lakh.
They have. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Entire interest you have to add back. क्यों बोलो?
They have already debited to the P&L.
Debited.
Add back entire interest of 35 lakh. Entire interest of 35 lakh add back. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
35 lakh. Working note. Give working note. Which is the bracket. Since it is debited, entire amount is add back. After that, 24.5 semicolon 24.5 shall be capitalized. So you'll add back party. 10.5 disallowed. So put together everything is add back. Mathematical blunder. If you do say 10.5, Ashish. So 24.5 and 10.5. Elri karta hai ta? Yeah. Next adjustment. Odama.
Profit of rupees 8 lakh on sale of plot of land to PQR Limited, an Indian company, the entire shares of which are held by the Diamond Industries Limited. The plot was acquired on 30th June 2020.
So profit less selling. Profit on sale of land to 100% subsidiary. First P&L account minus one because it is not a business income.
Yes.
Which is a bracket 8 lakh. Which is a bracket 8 lakh. Next line. Section 47 within the bracket IV 47.4. Not a transfer. Hence no capital gain also. One word if you miss it, gone case. Entire shares were held by us. Our name is Diamond Industries. How many?
Yes, sir.
So since it is a 100% subsidiary, there is no transfer. So make it one mark. Next, Odama.
Salary of rupees. Sir,
Definitely.
Salary of rupees 1 crore to foreign technicians for installation of machinery at the factory premises.
So add back salary.
Yep.
Salary to be capitalized 100 lakh. You working out go bidi. Working note. Alleno esto amount ಬಂತು just
524.50.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ hashtag ಹಾಕಿ plus salary ಅಲ್ಲೇ salary of foreign ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ 624.5 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ
Yes, sir.
next this is one more beauty working note ಓದಮ್ಮ
The company sold automobile parts for rupees 22 lakh to Measures ABC Co-Engineers, a sole proprietary concern, on 1/11/2019. On 1/2.
Sold in the earlier years and income offered. Sold in the earlier years and income offered 22 lakh. Debtors accountable to sales account.
On 1/2/2022, rupees 12 lakh was written off in the book as bad debts.
So,
the sole proprietor.
Out of 22 lakh, 12 lakh you write it as bad debt. Correct? Very. So 22 lakh less rid. That's all. You know, one nisha the presentation I will tell you. 22 lakh less. Okay. 22 lakh is sold. 2 RMs. 22 lakh. Less written off. Esto
12 lakh.
12 lakh.
12 lakh. Right side. Therefore, not yet written off. Esto
10 lakh.
10
10
lakh.
lakh. 10 lakh. Odi.
The sole proprietor died on 1/3/2022 and the company managed to collect 11 lakh towards full and final settlement on 30th March 2022. The
So
entire
without-
amount collected was shown as bad debts recovered and credited to P&L.
Okay, right. So 12 lakh your claim. Alva 12 lakh your claim. Bad debts. That's correct. So right side, not yet claimed is to
10 lakh.
10 lakh. 10 lakh. So next line. Next line. Therefore, total bad debts, effective bad debts, is equal to 22 minus 11 lakh is equal to 11 lakh. Correct?
Yes, sir.
22 lakh minus 11 lakh is equal to 11 lakh. 11 lakh. 11 lakh. 2 RMRs. 12 lakh debited to P&L. 12 lakh debited to P&L. Right side. 11 lakh credited to P&L.
Yes, sir.
1 lakh was debited to P&L. And 11 lakh is what?
Credited to P&L.
Credited to P&L.
12 lakh debited to P&L. 11 lakh is credited to P&L. So below 12 lakh debited to P&L. 1 lakh excess debited. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Excess debited. Below 11 lakh. Only 1 lakh should be 41.4 bad debts recovered. Therefore, completely below. Therefore, excess 10 lakh credited to P&L reduce the same. Excess 10 lakh credited to P&L reduce the same. That's a conceptual explanation, or could it be got 22 minus 11, 11 lakh. 22 lakh is the same minus 11 lakh is what is recovered. 11 lakh is the bad debt. Correct? Right. 11 minus 1. 11 lakh minus 1 lakh. Excess credited to P&L. 10 lakh to be deducted. This mathematical answer is how much was offered as income in the earlier years? 22 lakh. How much you recovered?
11 lakh.
11 lakh.
How much you recovered? 11 lakh. That means 11 lakh is not going to come. 11 lakh is not going to come. So what should be your bad debts?
11.
11 lakh.
11 lakh.
Bad debt is 11 lakh. But how much you debited?
12 lakh.
The same year you debited 12 lakh. So you debited 1 lakh extra. You have credited 11 lakh. So 11 minus 1, 10 lakh extra you have credited, you have to remove. Atava. So forget about this explanation. 22 lakh is the income earlier years. So bad debts, how much you have claimed?
12 lakh.
12.
So actually your bad debt should have been how much?
11 lakh.
11 lakh.
So when you recover that amount, there are 2 11 lakhs, don't get confused. When you recover the 11 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees is not an income. 1 lakh rupees should not have been created. Remove it. So 11 minus 11, sorry, 1 lakh is the only income. 1 lakh is the only income. Extra 10 lakh rupees what you have created, you have to remove it. Or once more you write, or out of total 11 lakh credited, 11 lakh credited, 2 RMRs, 1 lakh is the income. There is recovery of bad debt. ಏನು confusion ಆಗ್ತದೆ. There are two levels. One 11 lakh recovered, one 11 lakh bad debt. I always used to say 50-50 ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ confusion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Out of total 11 lakh recovered, 1 lakh is a income. 1 lakh is income. Right side. 10 lakh is not. 10 lakh is not. Since entire 11 lakh is credited, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
Reduce 10 lakhs.
Add back.
reduce 10, 11 lakhs credited. 11 lakh and finish 10 lakh income Allah.
Allah.
Allah ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
It's less.
10 lakh. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. Raining, Bangalore ದಿನನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Today again not raining. finish ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಜೋರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ಗೆ.
ಯಾ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಯಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ 1 lakh ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 lakh is ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಥವಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, 11 lakh ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಾರಿ 11 lakh ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 10 lakh ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 lakh. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ 10 lakh. ಮೈನಸ್ 10 lakh ಬರಲ್ಲ. Bad debts, it is not income, 10 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next, next, depreciation. Normal depreciation, depreciation. Right. Less. Normal depreciation, 150 lakh. Except on additions, other than on additions. Normal depreciation, 150 lakh. This is the bracket. Next, depreciation on additions. Bari. Office building, 300 lakh into 10% into half.
Yeah.
Less than 180 days.
Yes, sir. 15.
Yes, sir.
300 lakh into 10%. Office building is 10% into half. Because used for less than 180 days. Next, computers, 25 lakh into 40% in 1. 11,500 more than 180 days, more than equal to 180 days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next,
10 lakh.
machinery working on
624.5.
624.5 into 15% into half. That figure all of you have. 500 plus 24.5 interest, very important, plus 100 lakh salary. 624.5 into 15% into half. Is the math?
0.8375.
46.837.
46.872 in the bracket. First minus ಮಾಡಿ final answer ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. 950 lakh plus 280 lakh ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? plus 12 lakh plus 50 lakh plus 35 lakh
Plus 100 lakh.
plus 100 lakh minus 15 lakh minus 4 lakh. Bad debts 10 lakh. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. 10 lakh is important. minus 8 lakh minus 150 minus 15 minus 10 minus what is ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಬಂತೇನೋ?
Yes, sir. 1168.1625. Correct, sir.
1168.1625. 11 crore 68,250. Very PGBP. 1168.1625 PGBP. Next point number 2. Capital gains. That's small here. 47.4 million. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಾ?
Yes, sir.
47 within the bracket 4 nil. Next, listed equity shares 124 lakh. Adida. Next, dividend from IFRS. And minus part is add what?
Yes, sir.
Dividend from foreign company 115 BBD 15 lakh. Total just bari 1187.16,250. Next, chapter 6A, capital 6 here, in the bracket, for 115 bar, only following two. 115 bar, only following two. ಇದಲ್ಲ 80 ಡಬಲ್ ಜೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಎ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಿಲ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ 80 ಡಬಲ್ ಜೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಎ ನಿಲ್ 80 ಎಂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಓದಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್.
The company declared and distributed dividend for the financial year 21-22 on 31/5/2022 for rupees 12 lakh.
31/5/22 is within 131 due date. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ATM ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ 50 ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆಶೀಶ್ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾಟಾ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ UK ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ATM 15 lakh or 12 lakh whichever is less distributed within 131 whichever less 12 lakh ಅಲ್ಲಿ within the bracket distributed before 30th September 22 ಯಾಕೆ
1 month before 139.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 month before ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ RTP 131 30th September ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು 14 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ 115 ಬಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಸಾರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ LTCG 112A without indexation ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ without indexation 4 lakh minus 1 lakh relaxation is equal to 3 lakh into 10% 30,000 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. So special income 112 is 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 3 lakh into 10% 30,000. Next small b special income 115 BBD. When you have 26% or more in a foreign company, ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು be careful. 26% or more in a foreign company ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 115 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶೀಶ್ ಏನೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ 15% ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ 15% ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 115 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಕೋಟ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ 115 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು 115 BBD. ಸೊ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ 26% or more ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು 3 lakh
15 lakh into
15 lakh minus 12 lakh ATM
12 lakh 3 lakh.
Very important again, very important. 15 lakh minus 80M 12 lakh. Beautiful again. 3 lakh into 15%. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 15 lakh dividend minus 12 lakh ಹೋಯ್ತು ಉಳಿದು 3 lakh ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 15%
45,000.
Next very important capital B ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಟೋಟಲ್ 111
75,16,250
111 75 16,250 minus
4 minus 3
minus 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 lakh ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. there is a possibility of you doing 3 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 3 lakh ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು 3 lakh ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 4 lakh and 1 lakh ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ. minus 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 116816,250 now you copy 116816,250 at 22%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಫುಲ್. am I audible?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all of you copy this. Copy this. Add surcharge at flat 10% flat. Copy this. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ HEC 4%. Final answer. Quickly copy. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ 10%. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Shall we?
Yes.
18th question. Okay, is a special question. Business trust to SP related. Same question might repeat. ಇದನ್ನ just by heart ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇ I'll explain it. ಇದೇ question ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Be careful. Okay. ಬರೋಣ. 18th question.
Mr. Rajesh is a resident unit holder of PQR Limited and Shipra Limited. PQR Limited is incorporated as an investment fund and Shipra Limited is a real estate investment trust, which holds 100%.
So, right. Business trust includes INVIT and REIT. Infrastructure investment trust, real estate investment trust. ಇದು actually 1023 FDL amendment ಆಗಿದೆ. Even the best of the best chartered accountant will not know this part, including Chetty sir, because we do not practice all this. We do not. Even my sir says, okay, see venture capital, theoretically we may understand, unless there's a specialized people. New as a student also, since it's the recent amendment act, the exam will question market. So then as it is reproduce market. Did you hear? Don't go for detailed version. 1023 FD, 23 FD, either. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ठीक है. ಓದಮ್ಮ.
Which holds 100% shareholding in GPL Limited, an Indian company. Mr. Rajesh holds 10% units in both Shipra Limited and PQR Limited since the year 2019.
Rajesh holds 10% in PQR and Shipra. Full stop and continue. It holds, Yaro, PQR Limited holds 100% in GPL Limited, an Indian company. Ultimately, you're below that, right? Ultimate tax discussion of Mr. Rajesh here, 10%. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಓದಮ್ಮ. ನಾನು ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ GPL 2 crores, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ 3 crores, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 1 crore. ಇದು ಶಿಪ್ರಾದಿಂದ. PQR ಗೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರಿಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, GPL Limited does not exceed 150 bar and PQR Limited 90% distribute ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
90% distribute ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 10%. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು 90% 10 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ 10% ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್. Dividend from SPV, special purpose vehicle, GPL Limited, 1023 FD, 2 crores into 90% into 10%, 200 lakh, 2 crores to 200 lakh into 90% distribute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದರದ್ದು 10%. 18 lakh exempt under 1023 FD. ये taxable नहीं है. You have to buy hard dividend income. One मेरा है. Then we do it. Get that by hard. ये question बराबर. One number 2. Interest is taxable. Interest is always taxable. Dividend is exempted. Interest income from GPL SPV taxable. Dividend is exempted. Interest from GPL SPV GPL 3 crores and 3 crore ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. 2 crore 3 crore ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ 3 crore ಎಲ್ಲ 10% 90%. 300 lakh into 90% into 10%. 27 lakh taxable. Section 150 UA business trust ಗೆ 115 UA subsection ಅನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Right. Next number 3. STCG on sale of developmental properties. SPV again. Developmental properties. Cash rate. The RET, the business trust pays tax at MMR. मच्छर मारने का रास्ता है क्या? Maximum marginal rate. What is maximum marginal rate? Devro highest rate applicable to individual. 30% plus 37% surcharge plus 4%.
43 something, sir.
42.744%.
74.
30% plus 37% plus 4%. 30% is the highest rate. Anjuman, consonant here, not on Columbus. Plus 37% surcharge plus 4%. 42.744. Since yes, business trust pays the tax, business tax pays the tax at the highest rate. It is exempt in the hands of Rajesh, unit holder. 1023 FT. 1023 FT. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
In section. Yeah. So on the which is the bracket bari, that's which is the bracket meaning therefore dividend STCG exempt. Business and dividend and STCG exempt. Interest taxable. This is about that SPV. Next, point number 4. Business income of PQR Limited. Dash taxable for investment fund. Already taxable. Now Rajesh ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Taxable for investment fund, hence exempt for unit holder. In section again, you can remember great. 10 within the bracket 23 FBB. Honestly, I also don't know in detail about it. Only the little bit of taxation provisions I know. What is that? How they do? I don't know. I need not have to know. I will not learn out because it's not practically useful for us. Amendment ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ question ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು question ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 1023 maybe May 23 ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. 1023 FBB. समझ में आ गया? This income. Next. LTCG long term capital loss of PQR Limited. Capital Limited. 27 lakh into 10%. The loss of the 27 lakh into 10%. 2,70,000 can be set off against LTCG under section 74. Can be set off against any other LTCG under section 74. Since no LTCG, carry forward for 8 years. Done?
Yes, sir.
Next. Interest income taxable. Interest income exempt for investment fund in section 1023 FBA. Exempt for investment fund, but taxable for Rajesh. Rajesh, 52 lakh into 10%, 5,20,000. So, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಆಶೀಶ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಜುವನ್ इंटरेस्ट टैक्सेबल है. हाँ, इल्ली इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट का 90% का 10%. Here you are talking only about your share 10%. Total कितना आता है? 32,20,000.
20,000.
32,20,000. Yeah. Next, tax under section 115 BAC. He is going to pay the tax under 115 BAC. Something there is only BAC. What is 115 BAC? when as individual or HF, resident or non-resident, forgo certain benefits, salary based transaction, etc. 16 disallowed. House property only self-occupied no reduction. Let out interest deduction is given everything, but because of that interest, set off and carry forward is not set off is not permitted. There is an important amendment. Carry forward is permissible. Do you remember? So you want me to dictate or you know that? All of you know that. Fine. Then additional depreciation sigodilla, 35 AD sigodilla. All those benefits if you forgo, then every 2.5 lakh, up to 2.5 lakh, till 2.5 lakh. Correct. All of right. Up to 15 lakh. Example direct madi, nan madidini. Example 2.5 madಬೇಕು. Up to 15 lakh, 187,500. You trust me and go ahead. Up to 15 lakh, 187,500. Are you there? Irrespective of age, add on the balance kitna bhai?
20,000.
32 lakh 20,000 minus 15 lakh is equal to 17 lakh 20,000 into 30%. About 15 lakh, 30% perfect.
5,16,000 plus 187.
16,000. So total karo.
7,03,500.
सबको समझ में आ गया? Or you have to go like this. Each individual ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 703,500 add HEC 4%.
731,640.
731,640 less TDS ಮರೆಬೇಡಿ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ TDS under 184 LBA and LBB 10% ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದರ 10% ಕಂಡ್ರು whatever income ಆದ್ರೆ TDS ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ TDS ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ dividend is not income there is no TDS interest is income इसके ऊपर 10% 3220 into 10% straight less TDS under section 184 LBA and LBB 10% the total income is Ashish 32,20,000 into 10%. 3,20,000.
4,09,640.
140 capital. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
For a minute, can you just go back to that one AMT question? What you did? I don't know which question. AMT question before the break, after the break. I don't know. Which is the question number?
16.
So before break. So 16 the left side. What are the total income?
34,78,000.
That itself is the total income. Alipaka bari no surcharge. I told that right side also 80 lakh somewhere it came. If it have been come to 120 lakh also there is no 120 lakh is surcharge barta. So left side is the total income, right side is the total income. Individually you have to see. Left side 34 lakh no surcharge because below 1 crore. Right side is a firm. Right side 80 lakh plus below 1 crore no surcharge. समझ में आ गया? If suppose this would have been 34 lakh left side Anshuman, right side it would have been 120 lakh, left side no surcharge, right side surcharge आएगा. Same thing in 150 JB also. Shall I? Next question. I'll quickly 206C 1G. This was the important amendment last year. 206C 1H and 206C 1G. It is basically e question ಬಂದಿತ್ತು over 2 of TDS question by 19th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ 19th question 206C1G TCS at 5% OTPP overseas tour program package when the limit is greater than when the amount exceeds 7 lakhs. 7 lakh or more. 7 lakh or more. However, it is not applicable. So 7 lakh or more, full stop and continue. Such 7 lakh limit is not applicable for a seller of a OTBP who purchases a package. 1 rupee also applicable anta. So 7 lakh is not applicable. 206C1G ಇದಕ್ಕೆ applicable ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 206C1G ಫಾರೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 7 lakh is the limit. OTPP ಗೆ 7 lakh limit applicable ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Full stop. Further, notification number 20/2022. TCS under 206C 1G itself is not applicable to non-resident. Non-resident, while section 6 within the bracket 1/61A, 6 within the bracket 1/61A, comma, who is visiting India. The question matte odkolli, because for paucity of time, I'm just, because it's simple theoretical theory. Look at me. 206C 1G, when the foreign exchange gella 7 lakh is the limit. And the first sentence ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 206C 1G ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದಿ?
TCS had that 5% on OTT package amount exceed.
OTT ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬೇಡ, OTP ತೆಗೆ. 206C 1G for foreign exchange transactions. Authorized dealer ಅವರಿಗೆ OTP ಬರಬೇಡಿ. 206C 1G, exact wordings if you want. 206C 1C 1G 1H last year amendment agreed. Extremely important section, sir. Mainly meant for authorized dealer. 206C 1G full sentence for authorized dealer of the foreign currency. Okay, authorized foreign currency. 7 lakh is the limit. Authorized dealer ಗೆ 7 lakh is the limit. When you exchange, ಈಗ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 lakh ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But it is not for OTPP. 7 lakh limit OTPP ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? But exception to exception is if you are a non-resident visiting India, ಅವರಿಗೆ 206C 1G 100 lakh ಅದು ಬರೋದು. An important notification by ICA, sorry, Income Department, 20/2022. Did you understand? Shall I clarify once more? 206C 1G authorized dealer 7 lakh and above, you need to do TCS at 5%. For OTPP, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, OTPP ಗೆ 7 lakh limit ಇಲ್ಲ, no limit applicable. Whereas if that OTPP is for a non-resident visiting India, ಅವರಿಗೆ irrespective of that 206C 1G is not applicable. Did you understand? क्या हुआ अंशुमान?
नहीं तो TCS लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा?
नहीं लगेगा. That's what I finally conclude. Non-resident. Now who is non-resident? 6-1. 182 days or more. 60 plus 365 days. 60 days replaced by 182 days.
180 days.
120 days if he is an Indian citizen or a person of Indian origin coming to India on a visit and whose Indian total income is above 15 lakh rupees. Extremely important. That also you go through. Revision class now. Regular class hours together. This point everybody understood. Non-resident check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How do you check the non-resident? The answer is the number of days stay in India. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. I'm just missing it. ನೋಡಿ, you came to India blah blah blah. First March ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ number of days of stay ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Number of days stay in India is 39 days. Then see the non-resident. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ದೇವರಿಗೆ? Non-resident as per section 6 within the bracket 1. 6 within the bracket 1. Further, he is from New York. New York is in USA, wherein he is liable to tax. America tax is ilva. He is liable to tax. Hence, 6 within the bracket 1A not applicable.
Not applicable. Sorry, it should not be not liable to tax.
Not liable to tax in any other country due to domicile residence or any
otherwise
outside India. समझ में आ रहा है? 6-1 के लिए days नहीं है. Import again go through. This is the first point. That is the TDS question. TDS. Next, 184Q. This question again already we discussed. Part number 2. Bari alle 184Q and 206C 1H. Then पिलिया 184Q and 206C 1H. Yeah, ali pakka bari. All of you for a minute look at it. It is incorporated in the current year. Bari XYZ Limited incorporated in current year Hence, last year turnover nil. This is what I was telling earlier. It is also a similar question in MCQ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sudha madam, next question in there. So, sorry, 184Q. Just a second. Question number ಏನದು?
ಇವಾಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ MCQ ನ?
ಈಗ 19th. So 19th point number 2. So XYZ Limited incorporated in the current year. Last year turnover, nil. 184Q not applicable. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ notification ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. 184Q not applicable. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ circular number 13/2021. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? 184Q क्या है? Last year का turnover about 10 crore होना चाहिए. 13/2021. Hence 206C 1H. 1H at the time of debit or receipt, whichever is earlier. Receipt. TCS is on receipt basis. Dash right, debit beta. TCS is on receipt basis. Receipt basis. Underline receipt basis. Look at this. Tax credited source. Look at me. 1821, 159, 1520. Very important. Date important. This is the date of the bill. But payment is made after 1 month, exactly on the same date. So 18 के लिए 19 होगा, 59 के लिए 1510 होगा, 1512 के लिए 151 होगा. समझ में आ रहा है? So receipt basis पक्का भरे small a on 19 I am very clear 1921 25 lakh no, because it is below 50 lakh nil. Next on 15/10/21 समझ में आ रहा है क्या? 15/9 का 1 day time adding 15/10/21 25 plus 30 55 lakh cumulative minus 50 lakh. अंशुमान 25 plus 30 25 lakh first date का plus 30 lakh कितना भाई? 55 lakh minus 50 lakh. 50 lakh exemption है, excess के ऊपर बोला मैंने. 55 lakh minus 50 lakh 5 lakh into 0.1%.
0.1%.
0.1% is to 500. 500. Understood? Next, 15/1/22. 1 month के बाद receipt basis. 15/1/22 straight away 15 lakh into 0.1%, because once you cross 50 lakh on excess you have to pay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
15 lakh into 0.1%, 1500. 1500. Everybody understood?
Yeah.
Important again. Yeah. Next question number 20 क्या है? Sudha madam. ಇದು this you should know. बोला question number 20.
Mr. Ravi Prakash, a resident Indian aged 52 years, gifted a sum of rupees 30 lakhs to his wife, Mrs. Sudha, on the occasion of her 50th birthday.
Sorry. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸುಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? Your husband gifted us, I don't know. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? She is a wife house, doesn't have any income except rental income 25,000. So quickly ಬರೀ 20th question. I'm just skipping the unwanted information so that we can speed up a little bit. Rental income 25,000 into 12, 3 lakh. That's 30%. Standard action, don't forget. Is equal to 2,10,000.
2 lakh.
Below BEL and hence no ITR required. First point. Understood? However, as per rule 12AB, important. This question also might come. As per rule 12AB, when aggregate of TDS and TCS, is greater than or equal to, Ashish, equal to भी लगाना है, Mr. Kondaya, equal to 2,50,000. Aggregate of TDS and TCS, Kondaya, greater than equal
to 2,50,000.
50,000. ITR is must. ITR is must. There's one more question I'm going to do later, if you are permitting me. There's like above 1 lakh if you pay electricity charges.
Current bill is current bill.
All those things, they are also applicable.
Signatory authority of external foreign account.
Credit card. Next line. So here, car sale about 10 lakh. Car sale about 10 lakh. 206C 1F. TCS at 2CS at 1%.
Oh, sorry.
TCS at 1% on X showroom price. Get the point. TCS at 1% on X showroom price. Sudha madam has bought such a big car because of the variable problem. So where did you buy, madam? So TCS at 1% on X showroom price. In a bracket, 29,52,000 inclusive of all this, minus money. 29,52,000 minus 2,15,000 minus 51,575 minus 25,255 minus 35,460. Idella X showroom andre eno idella add agbeku. If you see the car price or virtual they say X room price, then they will add RTO charges, insurance charges, everything. Then a minus product. The important word is X showroom price. 29,52,000 minus 2,15,000 minus 51,575, 25,255, 35,460. It's about Papa.
2624,710.
2624,710 into 1%. Let's talk. 262,474.
Yes, sir. 5.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 26,000 is the
247.
I'm sorry, 2,50,000, 45,000 the amount. The aggregate of TDS and TCS should be how much?
25.
25,000. I'm sorry, I said 2,50,000. 2,50,000 you will fill. Sorry, aggregate of TDS and TCS 25,000 or more, greater than or equal to 25,000. 2,50,000, 25,000. So now kitna aa gaya? 26 sir?
247.
2%. Hence, ITR is must. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Must. Next. This is an analytical question. 292 BB.
Sir.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
Dinner break.
Not, sir. Not if I give a break, it's a problem. In half an hour, 45 minutes, you wind up. हो गया. Last 2 questions है ना. Dinner लेके आओ. खाओ साथ में. Table से नहीं होगा. So something juice is you take it. Break हो गया तो Sudha madam will say, sorry, I am already on the cot. I want to sleep, sir. So that's what madam will say. Okay. Easy. I thought we'll continue and close it. What is it? Another 45 minutes. Okay. Eat something, biscuit, apple. That's what I'm doing. I don't have problem. If you want me to give, I'll give. Okay. Continue time. Right. And it's raining also. We don't know when the network will be an issue. Heavily. Next question. Question number 22.
Sir, here also raining heavily.
So let us complete it first. So dispute resolution committee, DRC is that. So can I go to DRC, okay, when there is a 143 related question? 143 is scrutiny assessment. There is also a penalty levied in this case under 271D, 269 SS and 220. Business income also is there. 269 SS accepting loan or deposit, 20,000 or more. 269T is repayment when the balance is 20,000 or more. 1 rupee also cannot pay. 269 ST event management is 2 lakh. So there is a penalty under 271D, 271E, and 271DA. So the analytical theory question has been asked. So all of you write down. You read this question again. Okay, later. So paucity of time, I'm just doing it. Yeah. In the given case, assessment of Aurora was completed. Assessment of Aurora was completed under 143.3 without issuing notice under 143.2. Without issuing notice under 143.2. Such assessment is bad in law. Such assessment is bad in law and it is not a curable defect. The department cannot take a what you call the Q out of this. It is not a curable defect under section 292 BB. 292 BB.
Not a curable, right?
Not curable. Not a curable
Yes.
defect under 292 BB. Even though Mr. Aurora has participated in assessment proceedings. See, 292 BB has been introduced recently. So just to give protection to the department. But every case cannot be given a protection. That's what it says. Then a case on detail hello. Yes, sir. That's question number 21 about. What is 21 or 22?
21.
You missed one question. Okay. 1.50, 1.3.
21.
DRC. Next question. DRC. Dispute Resolution Committee. Next question number 22. DRC. DRC would resolve.
Repeat once.
Dispute Resolution Committee would resolve dispute in case of person who opts for dispute resolution under chapter 19. Note called chapter number 19 AA X1X AA section 245 ME. One section, one chapter 245 ME. ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ. In the given case, Vijay can file application before DRC since it satisfies the conditions. Stop. However, once a modified order, please read the question. Once a modified order is passed, no appeal bar revision against such order. Once a modify again appeal revisionary powers. Next line, red ink. No DRC Hence, it is not a specified order. Underline the word specified order. No DRC, dispute resolution committee. No DRC. If it is not a specified order, say if it is based on information received from DTA. It is based on information received under DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. Okay. Next. Question number 23 is about equalization levy. But question number 23. Normally, equalization levy is at what rate?
6%.
6% on ODA.
Online advertisement.
165.
2% also, some cases 2% also.
Yeah. So normally, underline normally, equalization levy when you pay to the non-resident is at 6% for ODA. What is ODA?
Online advertisement.
Online data access and advertising.
Online, digital, any other online advertisement, digital mode, data access in data access.
Okay.
Online, digital mode, then any other mode prescribed. Below that, it is 2% for e-commerce operator. Okay, na? Question after.
Yes, sir.
Story. This is the question I told you. This is a compulsory question again. Section 91. MCQ question number 15. Ditto question number 24. Only numbers have been changed. Country is different. This question now madla. This compulsory question. Question number 24. Almost every example. Audible.
Mrs. Rajni, age 63 years. And
make a circle for 60. Question 24. Rajni, 63 years. Settled in Ranchi. Ranchi is in India. So it is a reasonable. Section 91 only for a resident. Resident ke maatra double taxation avoidance agreement. Yaka non-resident adre foreign income tax agodu. Pakka bari 90/91 for resident. Which is the bracket for non-resident, foreign incomes are not taxable. Okay. So another one. She earns CMD. Okay, so different countries dollars. So 10,120 in country M. She also owns a residential house property in country M. She earned rental income of 25,000 in that country. She paid municipal tax of 200 outside India. So, whether municipal tax paid outside is allowed?
Allowed.
Yes, it is. Venugopal Reddy versus CIT, Madras High Court.
It's a Madras High Court decision.
Yeah, work on all of you. So, Mrs. Rajani, 63 years. Roman number 1. Indian incomes. Roman and Roman, Indian incomes. Small a, PGBP. Small a, PGBP. 15 lakh from profession. 15 lakh.
yes.
Yeah. Small b, IFOS. 4,20,000 plus 15,000. Including. 4,20,000 is FD interest. That's gross. But the 15,000 is SB interest. Put together 4,35,000. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So Indian income 15 lakh is PGBP. IFOS 4,20,000. So that is done. Next, Roman number 2, foreign incomes. Foreign incomes. For a minute, look at me. Country M is the dollar. CMD and the country M dollar. Singapore dollar is GD. CMD. country M dollar ಅಂತ 69 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರಿನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ, ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, GAV 10,120 into
31st March rate, sir. SBITT rate.
Oh, sorry, 25,000 into 25,000 into 69. 25,000 into 69. They are not given other income, so we just miss it. 25,000 into 69. Extra part 17 lakh 25,000.
25,000.
Less.
Municipal taxes actually paid anywhere in the world. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the municipal tax is not allowed in that country. Why should you bother? For us, anywhere in the house, anywhere deducted. That's municipal tax paid anywhere in the world. Venugopal Reddy versus CIT, Madras High Court decision.
Madras High Court decision.
Venugopal Reddy versus CIT, Madras High Court decision. It's the 200 into 69. 200 into 69.
15,800.
13,800. This is NAV 1711 200. Copy paste. Less
30%.
24 small b. Household income. Gottalva?
So
Yes.
513360.
1197,840.
708. That is small a. Small b. PGBP. She's a musician, dancer, okay. So 10,120 concerts into 69. 10,120 into 69. Rule 115. A conversion rate. Rule number.
rule 115 and 26 also.
115 subject.
Now 115.
698 280. Total body. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
One 896 120.
1896
120.
120.
Only foreign, sir.
Foreign income. ಅದೇ correct ಆಗಿದೆ. And country M ಅಲ್ಲಿ tax rate 20% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Even if it is municipal tax is not allowed outside, doesn't matter. It is allowed. ಅದು important. And normally foreign country tax 20% ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Right. Total ಮಾಡ. Total ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? $3,831,120. Yes, sir. I told you to go by Indian income separately, foreign income separately, but each headwise okay, then the best presentation. 3831,320 less deduction under chapter 6A ETC. She has invested in PPF provident fund 4 lakh, sorry 1,50,000. So ETC for PPF 1.5 lakh. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 5 years ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. PPF ನಿಮ್ದು ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. LIP 2 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸನ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಏನಿಯೋ ETC ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು 1.5 lakh. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ FD ಫಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೋ ETC. 5 year FD ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. 5 year FD in children's name, no ETC. Next, ETD, look at me. She paid medical premium of 29,000 to insure her health and 32,000 insure her health dependents, who is also 65 years. Male estate age noted at top ali enta baradi
3 years.
3. So parents other additional sigutte, spouse other additional sigodilla. Ottige so ETD 29 plus 32 is equal to 50,000, restricted to 50,000. Parents other additional sigutte, spouse ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ETD for senior citizen 60 years plus 50,000. Next, ETTTB, very important, don't forget. B for Buddha or Buddhi.
50.
ETTTB, which is a bracket for resident matra. Resident 60 years and above. Non-resident 60 years and above, ETTTA matra. Resident 60 years and above. For SB plus FD interest, 50,000 within the bracket. But is a bracket ETTTA for all non-resident and residents below
60 years.
60 years.
6 years.
Yes. Only for SB interest 10,000, which is the bracket. समझ में आ रहा है? Only for SB interest below 10,000. Close the bracket. Start. So now total income is the final answer. Copy ಮಾಡಿ.
35,81,120.
35,81,120. Next line. Statement of tax. Tax on the same up to 10 lakh, 1,12,500. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. $1,12,500. Next on the balance 774,336. Plus
Sir, 1,10,000, 63 years.
1,10,000. 1,10,000. Sorry, President Allah 60 years. Up to very good one. Up to 10 lakh, 1,10,000. Sorry, 60 years. Within the bracket since 60 years. 3 lakh is the limit alwa. Make important mark. I missed it. Very good. On the balance 774,336. Very good. 774,336. Sir, 30%.
Percentage.
So copy now. 884,336. Add 4%. 35,373. Total 919,709. Underline. 919,709. Underline and write P. P for Pankaja. 35,81,120. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Q ಅಂತ ಬರಿ. Q. Next line. Therefore, average rate of tax. P by Q into 100. Take 4 decimals. P by Q into 100. 25 point. कितना था भाई?
6821.
Average rate of tax compute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 25.68. So normal income compute ಮಾಡೋದು. Total tax ಮಾಡೋದು. Total tax divided by total income into 100. 25.6821% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next line. Relief under section 91. Relief under section 91 within the bracket where no DTA exists. DTA ಇದ್ರೆ section 19 ಅಲ್ಲಿ either exemption ಅಥವಾ credit. Whereas 91 is relief. Relief under section 91. Indian average rate or foreign rate, whichever is less. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶೀಶ್, if there are two countries ಇದ್ರೆ, two different countries, ಒಂದು 20% ಒಂದು 22%, individual ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Average rate of tax same ಇರುತ್ತೆ or 20% whichever less. Or it's a possible that ಈಗ average rate of tax 24% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Country M 20%, country N 28%. What should you do? For country M you should give 20%, country N you should give 24%. Average rate of tax or foreign tax whichever is less. Each country ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Whichever is less. Section 91 rebate. That's relief. Whichever is less 20%. Now all of you go to at the top somewhere. Foreign income is the total. Foreign income.
1,896,120.
1,896,120. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ X ಅಂತ ಬರೀ. X. So relief under section 91, whichever is less 20%. So 20% on 1,896,120. You understood why I made you write Indian income separately, foreign income separately? Easily. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
379,224.
379,224 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 540,490.
Yes.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ದೇವರಿಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Question number 25. This 24th question is important. And 15th question ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ MCQ. Question number 25 again go through ಪಕ್ಕಬರಿ. MSN most favored nation OECD model ಅಲ್ಲಿ international taxation ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So when all the following conditions are satisfied, so you will get the benefit of the third party. So which is the most favored nation of the applicability of most favored nation? ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 90 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. If you can give me another 10 minutes, I just want to show you some MCQs of RTP is done. RTP, all the 25 questions done. Congratulations to yourself. So matter of 300 hours, you have covered almost 150 marks, not 100 marks. Some of the questions are 15-20 marks. Reasonably enjoyed. Some of the questions are tricky with the go through body. Very, very important. On 5-10 minutes, if you can, on 15 minutes, if you can give me, I'll just take you through MCQ. Okay, now quick cut. They are actually easy. RTP close. RTP close. MCQ. Then look. CA Institute has released a beautiful book on MCQ. Okay, very beautiful book. Again, it may not be possible for you to November 22 people. Randomly, some questions I selected. One or two questions are awesome. I just thought I'll take you through. So let's start with the first question. Past time. Mana, the MCQ
Yes.
January 22. So I'm not sure whether they're given any updated one. Latest. Relevant for May and November. Anything else available? Anybody saw?
No, sir. This is only.
This one only, no? January 20. But MCQ and case scenario. So May exam we will practice model. That's easy. May 22 and November 22. Okay? Yes, MCQ and case study. If case study I will not touch it. MCQ model. Question number 1. Beautiful question. Question number 1. Depreciation rate. This is unfortunate. If they ask in this exam, old year depreciation rate they are expecting to know. Depreciation rate for vehicles, car purchased 2 hours. Normally 15%. For taxi it is 30%. Car ke normal rate of depreciation is 15%. Taxi customer 30%. Right side. You can later, if you want to drop, you can drop. Family comes to on 15-20 minutes. Only something later. So 15%. Then what? Taxi 30%. Right side. Purchased between the date by head 23/8/2019 to 31st March 2020. It is 30% bar 45%. Normal rate here 15 is double agile. 30 is 45, 60 agile. Only for those cars which are continued even now. This is the question. Here's what. So make a circle here. This is the case. So work on it. Just trust me and write. 2 columns. Left side, Akash. There is a higher business, higher taxes, taxi 45%. That date correct you trust me. 1/11/2000. Okay. A dating the question. So how to remember the date? This was before pandemic. First point. Car purchase. Pandemic time you are not going inside your house also. Why you require car? Remember stupidly. Before pandemic. 31st March 20. Number 15th August is our Independence Day. 15th August is what? Independence Day. From there 8 days. 15th August is Independence Day. This is how I used to teach in 2019-20. I missed it now because it's not relevant. But this MCQ is bringing back 15th August. So before pandemic, 31st March 20. So at that time, the car vehicle industry was in little down. That's why the promotion 15th August are 8 days. 8 days. So 8 days are starts. 1 week at some. So 15 days. August independence plus 7 days. 23rd August is the 31st March. By heart. So now first fellow yaro Akash. Akash alva. Akash is what? Akash is the higher with which is the back 45%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ look at it. They purchased the car on 1/11/2019, 5 lakh, both of them. Just ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? And returned down value the car 50 lakh for Akash, opening balance. And for Vikas, it is nil. Aste. So they want you to calculate depreciation for 11/12. Very. So 11/12, 21/20. Akash ಕೆಳಗೆ 2 RMRs. Opening WDV on 1/4/19, 50 lakh. Is to normal rate
30%.
30%. Therefore, WDV as on 1/4/21, 50 lakh minus 30% minus 30%. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 1/4/19 ದಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಸುಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್. So 50 lakh and taxi purpose depreciation rate is 30%. 19/20, 20/21, 2 years depreciation you have to minus it because we want the depreciation for the current year. So 50 lakh minus 30% minus 30. Don't make it 60%. 50 lakh minus 30% minus 30% is equal to 24.5 lakh.
5 lakh.
Depreciation 24.5 into 30%. 7,35,000. Trust me. So for 21/22, old car depreciation 7,35,000. That's normal. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ opening WDV we had 50 lakh. 50 lakh ಗೆ 2 years depreciation minus ಮಾಡಿ minus 30 minus 30. Whatever amount you have 24,50,000. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 30% depreciation for the current year. Everybody understood? Right side. New car 1/11/19. 1/11/19, 5 lakh minus 45% into half first year. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 180 days ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. 1/11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ? ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 180. ಯಾ 5 lakh minus 45% into half first year less 45% second year is equal to 213,125. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ 5 lakh minus taxi purpose ಗೆ कितना consumer depreciation 45%. इसका half 111 ಅಂದ್ರೆ half, so 22.5. so 5 lakh minus 22.5% minus next year full मिलेगा 45%. 213,125 into 45% current year 95,906. important maths. Connect 735 with 95,906. कितना आता है? 830,906.
830,906.
I repeat this. Akash had some old cars. 30% you have to calculate for all the 3 years. Third year is bರುತ್ತೆ. This car is 111, 180 days ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. First year 22.5, next year 45. That will become the WDV on 1/4/2021. इसके ऊपर current year depreciation. समझ में आ गया? Next, on the idea, Guha, right side. Guha, same date, 5 lakh minus 7.5% minus 15%. Sorry, 5 lakh minus 15% minus 30%. Okay, it is also 111. I don't know why is it raining like whatever. I know I'm happy that it rained. Agriculture very well, but what is this reason? What is the season? 5 lakh minus 15% first year minus 30% second year. 15% first year क्यों? Half of 30%. बताया minus 30% is equal to 2,97,500 into 30%. 89,250 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬ್ರೋ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 1C. ಈ ತರ ಇದು this is the kind of question they are going to create. This is not of the same quality of RTP. ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಯಾಕೊತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ 89,250 ಮಾಡುವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ then has to be the corresponding answer here. This is how you have to select the answer. So better is I would have what I did actually. Goa first ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Goa didn't have opening balance. Goa the correct answer ಬಂತು 89,250. Second 839 to 839 or 6 आना ही चाहिए. Otherwise, answer is mistake. Did you understand the logic? However, if they are given 89 to 50 twice, then you are making tension. Next. Question number 3. The beauty. Question number 3 is the beauty. Again, we shall go along. Very ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಗೋವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಬರೀ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಕಾಶ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಹಾ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಓದಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
Mr. Vishal and Mr. Guha sold their residential house property in Pune for 3 crore and 4 crore respectively.
Particulars Vishal Guha. Sale value 300, 400 crores away. Next.
The house property was purchased by them 25 months back.
Top LTCA.
It is
LBB about 24 months LTCA. Beauty. Next.
Index cost of acquisition 1 crore, 1.75 crore respectively.
Index cost 100 lakh, 175 lakh. Beauty. Difference is 200, 225. Banta?
Yes, sir.
300
Yes.
minus 100, 200. 400 minus 175. Contact answer is very important. 225. 225. Next.
Mr. Vishal purchased 2 residential flats, one in Delhi and one in Agra, for 70 lakhs and 80 lakhs respectively in April 2022.
Statue. So 54 gives exemption for 1 or 2.
One.
Normally 1 and 1 exception case.
That's the beauty.
The lifetime.
Very good. So this is the beauty of the question. 200 lakh is circular greening tally. Pakabari. Once in lifetime, 2 houses. If it is less than or equal to 200 lakh, Mondaya. Look at the way they have constructed the question. So if your capital gain is less than or equal to 200 lakh, आपको 2 house को भी मिलेगा. So 200 lakh, but it looks so easy, but example strike agala. 200 lakh. So 2 houses once in lifetime. Right side 225 per car. Only 1 house. 54 after one house sigodu. 54 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು less than 200 lakh once in lifetime 2 house property मिलेगा. समझ में आ गया? I know looks easy now because Ashish has said and I elaborated. Example strike agala. ಓದಮ್ಮ next. Now it's easy. Less. So less very less 70 and 80 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ 70 ಮತ್ತೆ 80 ಬಿಲೋ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್ 70 minus 80. Next right side ಓದಮ್ಮ.
Both of them invested
on the same date.
Mr. Guha purchased 2 residential flats, one in Mumbai, other in Pune, 80 lakhs and 75 lakhs.
ಯಾವ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ minus 80 whichever beneficial minus 80. Next.
Both of them invested 30 lakhs in bonds of NHAI in March 2022 and 30 lakhs in bonds of RECL in April 2022.
Oh, let's very 54 easy. From Jan 22 6 months only. Luckily 6 months check ಆಗಿದೆ. Jan 22 ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ within 6 months ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ 54 easy ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 50 lakh. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓ 30 lakh plus ಎಷ್ಟು 30 ನಾ?
Yes.
Okay, so 50 minus 50 minus 50. समझ में आ गया क्या? या ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ?
0.95.
0 and
95. Answer is 3C. Next question number 6. Only very limited question are there. Question number 6 ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೀ 6 ಗೆ answer is C. 139 proviso, 131 proviso. ITR deposit in current account more than 1 crore. Correct? Or foreign travel more than 2 lakh. Or electricity charges more than 1 lakh per annum. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. electricity charges 10,000 per month ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Electricity charge more than 1 lakh per annum. Within the bracket, 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. Hence, has to find the return. ಈ ತರ MCQ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು RTP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲಾಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ RTP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ABC ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲಾಬರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು RTP ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬ್ರೋ? Question number 13. 1-3. Question. Now just not that I have done all the questions. Some questions randomly I just selected. 13. ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. 13 ಏನು ಬರೀ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ 111A and 112A. ಅದೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್.
Maximum surcharge.
Yeah, maximum surcharge is ಎಷ್ಟು 15%. When it exceeds 200 lakh. ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Yes.
Yeah. Next 16th question. Your beautiful question. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, MCQ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಓದ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ 5 lakhs income I not file the return ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ 5 lakhs 6 lakh ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದ್ರು ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್. ನೋ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 16 ಓದಮ್ಮ. 16D. 16.
Mr. Ganesh and Mr. Rajesh, resident Indians, born on 1/7/1961 and 1/4/1942.
Okay, so bari Ganesh 2021 minus 1961 ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
61 years.
60 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 21
or 21. Yeah.
Minus 1961, 60 years. Correct? Next, Rajesh 2021 minus 1941. 14 ಅಂತಿದೆ. ನೆನಪಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First step means he will become his birthday should be considered one day before. 80 years. ಎಷ್ಟು? 80. The beauty of the date 1/4. First April ಅಂದ್ರೆ 31st March ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
80 years. Beauty. This is the question. ಓದಮ್ಮ.
However, the total income assessed in respect of such year under section 144 is 8 lakhs and 5 lakhs.
Adjustment, Ashok sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ favorite section. 140 ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. So below right side ಬರೀ 5 lakh. 5 lakh. No tax. ಯಾಕೆ no tax?
80 years, 5 lakh basic expense.
5 lakh is the limit, alva. 5 lakh, 8 years. 5 lakh is the basic income. Sudha madam, if you want, you can take off. It's okay. You're tired. Yeah. Sudha madam, tired? You can take break. No problem. Yeah. So look at it. 80 years, ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. 79 ಆದ್ರೆ. So 1/4 ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ 31st ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 80 years, 5 lakh BL. No tax. How can there be a penalty? No tax, no penalty. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಚುಮಾರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾರು? ರಾಜೇಶ್.
Ganesh.
ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 3 lakh ನೀವು 3 lakh ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಅಪ್ ಟು 3 lakh ನೀವು. ದೆನ್ 3 lakh to 5 lakh 10,000. 5 lakh to 8 lakh. 3 lakh into 20% 60,000. Total
70
plus 4%. 70 to 800.
800.
7 to 800. Below that, for under reporting 270A7. Compulsory question. Take care. 270 capital A in the bracket 7. Dash. For under reporting, penalty is equal to 276 ಎಲ್ಲ penalty 50%.
Yes, sir.
50% of salary weighted including cess ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, including surcharge ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 36,400.
36,400.
Below that, more 270A, 270 capital A within the bracket 8. If it is misreporting, 200%.
It's 200% of tax.
50%. Underreporting ಅದು misreporting ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ ಒನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 28. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 28 44AD 44AD applies to partnership form. Apply ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Applies to
Yes, applies, sir, but
resident individual HF firm. Resident individual HF firm in the bracket except LLP. 44 ಅಡ್ಡ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? resident individual and resident firm.
LLP only.
Firm of chartered accountants ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 44AD turnover 110 lakh on the top. Left side collected in digital mode, account pay check, account pay draft, ECS. Let's go Tajira. Digital mode on or before 139 due date. 131 due date. Note padi. Look at the detail. Account pay check 70 lakh. Cross check 15 lakh. Cross check barodilla.
Not included, sir. There.
RTGS ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 2 lakh received on 15/5, 5 lakh received 30th April. Doesn't matter because it is in the due date.
Within the due date.
Move barbadu. So left hand collected in digital mode 70 plus 10 80 lakh into 6%. Into 6%. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Right side balance collected bad debt outstanding doesn't matter. 30 lakh into 8%. So 44AD presumptive income rates 6% if it digital collection within 131 due date. 8% if it collected in cash ಅಥವಾ if it not only collected. So 80 lakh into 6% plus 30 lakh into 8%, 7,20,000 is the answer. Answer is C. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Question number 29 just mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 150 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10.4% is the
Interest.
Interest is 10.4%. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next. Question number 44 only. 42. Analytical question. Honest 5 to 42 ಇದು. See, non-resident sportsman go, non-resident commentators go, non-resident articles ಬರೆಯೋದು difference ಇದೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So if you are a non-resident sportsman, so you come under the sportsman category. Whereas if you are writing an article, etc., you are normal income. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 42 ಬರೀರಿ. 42 ಸಂಜಯ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಆಂಡ್ರೂ British citizen and non-resident. Sports commentators. In the bracket, they are not sports person. Commentators, sports person Allah. TDS. President ಯಾವ section?
194.
194J.
J.
And for what is his name? Andrew 195.
195.
So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 194J is for Sanjay and Andrew ಗೆ 195. ಇದು ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ 194E is for sports person. ಇದು sports person ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 and 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀ. 1 and 3. Next question number 49. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, ಬರೀ. Question number 49. Resident 60 years. Beauty ಇದೆ. Duty 60 years. Professional income 1,45,000. Lottery income, card game 1,50,000. Next, interest income 40 plus 9 49,000. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, sir.
Total 3,44,000. Less ET TTB ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ 60 years ಗೆ president ಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much?
49,000.
49,000.
49,000. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1,000 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. 49,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದೇ 49,000. ಸೊ 49,000 ಕಾನ್ಸನ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ PPF ಎಷ್ಟು? 1,50,000. ಲೆಸ್ EDC ಎಷ್ಟು?
No, that IFO is careful, sir.
Only
There.
1,45,000.
1,45,000 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯಾಕೆ?
One
Casual income it is not.
1,45,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ETC ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. 49, 145, 145 ETC. Your income is only 1,50,000. Answer is B. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
51, question number 51. Ali bari. Section 154, one more section is normally asked. Like, wow, for a minute even I was scared. Normally I don't get scared. Oh wow. Yeah, rectification of mistake. God only is busting crack up this time for the point. So, section 154, rectification of mistakes. Mistake apparent from the record. Mistake apparent from the mistake apparent from the tenor of the record. Mistake is rectification ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? Point number B, 51B. Next, 66. I have randomly selected, my dear friends. Wherever I see is a beauty. 66. Where is that? ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 66 ನೋಟಿಫೈಡ್ jurisdictional ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ TDS ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, 66 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನೋಟಿಫೈಡ್ jurisdictional ಏರಿಯಾ NJA ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ 5%, ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಅದು. TDS is 30%. TDS is 30%. So it is 30 and 5 Allah. It should be 30 and 5, but it is actually stupid 5% tax rate. But TDS is 30%. Answer is D.
The total tax should be deducted, sir. Why? Because there is no connection with the person there.
Correct. 71. Question number 71. You already done it. Manufacturing is an advertisement in a sovereign of a registered political society. 71 again, 37 2B.
37 to be.
37 2B. Political party sovereign not allowed. Not allowed. But I am little confused. Point number C, like answering point number C there. Such expenditure is not allowed as reduction when compared to the business income, but allowed as reduction from gross total income. They are saying 80 GGB. Advertisement in a political party. Then I made a reference to Companies Act. 37 2B advertisement is disallowed. 80 GGB for contribution. Political party donation 80 GGB for contribution. Contribution means section 293A of the Companies Act of 1956 reference.
Here 182.
182.
Sorry, 182.
Okay, but in that still says 293A of the Companies Act of 1956. That is 5% of the net profit of the political party contribution. That is also included. So I am little apprehensive about this answer. If it is a donation, I understand. It is an advertisement they given. How can advertisement be allowed under 80 GGB? But they say 80 GGB allowed. Understood? Yeah.
Yes. So
Next, last 2-3 questions, madam. Question number 91. This already I told you. Repetition. I want to work out all these questions. 91. Non-resident Indian citizen. Article writer. On game, not a sports person. So sports person yaro ಈಗ ಆಂಡ್ರೂ ಸೈಮನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟರ್ ಕಮೆಂಟೇಟರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
Normal provisions.
ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 103 ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 103 ಬರ್ರಿ. ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಟನೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ 10 years ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 tonnage companies merged. 2 tonnage companies amalgamated with balance period of 8 years and 6 years. Beauty. ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗಲೇ. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. tonnage income ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ 8 years and 6 years ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 years ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 years ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 8 years.
8 years, sir.
8 years. Amalgamation ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. If you remember 72A ನಲ್ಲಿ you get the benefit as if fresh ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 8 years.
8 years.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
119 and 120. Last 2 questions, madam. Then I thought of winding up at 9:30. But every time when I think, I know I'll extend. Yeah. During the previous year, a charitable trust made voluntary contribution, not being a corpus donation. Don't you think all these things are better answered in RTP? Corpus donation is not eligible, I said. Am I right? So the answer is C1 and 2. In there, C1 and 2. What is 1 and 2? And work for it. So when they make a donation to another charitable trust, it is allowed. Correct? Education institution is also allowed. Okay. So this is allowed as a deduction. 12AB allowed. No? 1023C. 1023C also allowed. Answer is C1 and 2. What is C saying?
1 and 2 above.
1 and 2 above. What is 1 and 2? 1 says another charitable trust you can give a donation. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, education 12AB and 1023C normally go hand in hand. 12AB and 1023C go hand in hand. So 1, 2 okay, 3 not okay. Actually, you already discussed this.
Accumulated income.
3 not okay. 3 not okay since it is a accumulated. Anshman, that is your question in your face. 12AB भी हो सकता है, लेकिन वो accumulated income reduction नहीं मिलेगा. हमने MCQ में देखा है already. Last question of the day, 120. What will be your answer? Had a voluntary contribution made is in the form of corpus. Corpus donation की deduction नहीं मिलेगा. 120. No deduction for corpus deduction. Corpus. Did you discuss? Go see. This is where they are given the answer, etc. in a beautiful way. It is a case study. Case study ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಓಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಕು. Okay. Now quickly you write down. So extremely important. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Extremely important. Yeah. Yeah. Total income computation. Total income computation. With what? With the addition or division. Next, charitable trust, especially 12AB, etc. You're listening, Alva?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
12AB, etc. And also accreted income on the class of 115 TD, 115 TD, accreted income. Charitable trust is corpus, yella baratte 100% question. Next, ULIP, taxation of ULIP. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. TDS, TCS provisions, especially 194Q, 206C 1H, Ashish Aikara, 206C 1H, 206C 1G, 1F. Next, search Caesar 132, 133, 133A, comma assessment 143, 144, 147, 148, 148A, 154, 263 and 264 revisionary powers. Next, transfer pricing is important, but two standard sometimes. Transfer pricing is 94B, 92C both code. 94B, 92C. Slump sale. Next, 50B, compulsory question. Next, section 91, relief.
Yes, sir.
Then 115BA, 115BAA and 115 BAB. 115 BA and 115 BAB. 115 BAC. Definite question this time. Then 270 capital A, which is the bracket 7 and 8. Penalty. 270A, 270, which is the bracket 7, which is the bracket 8. 50%. Next, 269 ST and 271 DA. Next, DRC, dispute resolution. Next, you have a most favored nation OECD model. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ರೂಲ್ ಸರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 9B ಯಾವುದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದು and 45(4).
9B with 45(4).
45(4) extremely important. Section 80M, 80M.
Intercorporate dividends.
ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
Extremely important section ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್, ಕಾರ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. car depreciation rates 23/8/2019 to 31st. Right again. Sudha madam, I know you know, but you're right. 23/8/2019. When you are with me, I'll not leave. That's the problem. 23/8/19 to 31st March 2020. You're right. Is to special rates 30% bar 45%. Next. Be careful. Underline. Small a. Age. First. Age. Say 1st April born is equal to 31st March. Small b. Resident or non-resident. In the bracket also section 6 and 6(1)(a) important. Already you have discussed these important questions on the examination. That also you go through. Okay, but it is important. 6 and 6(1)(a). Resident or non-resident. Then manufacturer or not. Manufacturing company or not. Then linking of adjustments. Say loan and plant and machinery. Important alvado. Next. Surcharge rates. Individual 10%, 15%, etc. In the bracket special dividend 111A, 112A, 15%. Next, capital gain taxation. Set of California imports. Enjoyed? Your class is nothing less than 4.5 hours. I think we'll leave me. Ashok sir. But didn't you enjoy? So in the 4.5
enjoyed.
I learned so many things as a teacher, but I'm sure majority of you have been able to recall. Only thing is you should know to recall. You should have called. Isn't it? If you know the process, it's fine. Do it now. Okay.
Majority recalled, sir.
You have recalled. That's fine. So next, the only thing is next, what are the days available? Happy report to all of you, including our YouTube viewers. Okay. And please inform your other friends if they have missed it. Very big miss actually, if they're not able to cover up this. Okay. And let them attend. Next, Deepavali ke baad, okay, we'll be having special sessions for November 22 students. Conference booster session, probably it is on 30th. No, 29th. 29th of October. So then I'll be doing FR on the same day. 30th and 31st, 2 days, we will read only FR. Then first year is your examination. Then the exam gets over. On that evening, SFM will happen. So like that, SFM gets over, then the third subject. Like that, there's a beautiful artwork session at 8 o'clock. Don't miss it. Just come, relax and chill, get chilled. Okay. So exactly chilling on the what chilling on the I'll show you one. What are those? Did I show you? Beautiful. Just so that will scold me, but I cannot control. Yeah.
For what, sir?
For showing the chilling means what?
Recording off Madina.
No, it's let it be no part. Don't stop. This is actually called, it's called chilling man. This is actually a photo. So, but and trust me, in the AC room also, you not get a sleep. But those people, they get sleep wherever they are. There's a real hardworking people and great people are. It's called chilling. Okay. So that R2R sessions, inter final foundation, everything it happens. So you also attend. You can also share the information with others so that they can also do. The next batch of CA panel, they're more systematic in a slightly in a different way, not systematic. Systematic every time, systematic only. So we are going by once your exam gets over. Okay, we'll be starting maybe around November 15th ke baad. Okay, so little more elaborative and in depth because people want more and more spoon feeding. Today also I had a lot of discussion with our faculty friends. So they were not ready, but I said students require, so we want. So that's why 4 months plus on each subject we want to go for elaborative, in-depth classes. So November 20th we'll be doing the second group. Then once May exam gets over, first group. That's the way we are planning to focus and do it. This is the way we are going to structure the next 2 batches. We'll try. Then we'll see. We'll take a call accordingly. And CA Foundation next batch is going to start on 2nd November across India. Anybody registering before tomorrow, 20th it is 14,100. Afterwards, even then it's still 15,100 only. It is 1/3 of the fees of other institutions. So thanks, all of you. Zoom people be there for 1 minute. Okay. So thanks to all of you. So God bless you all. All of you pass with IMAS. Let us meet at the earliest as a
Members.
Same fraternity. So CA Shetty sir, CA individually each one of you, so that we'll all be same. And also I met 3 of my great students, very recently qualified, about 3 years back. But they are doing some very unique projects. They are not doing anything related to CA. Road not taken. Already, their turnover is more than 12 crores, 13 crores, whatever they're telling. Okay. Just awesome. So we'll give that idea. Okay. Not now. Now, first to become a CA. They're all chartered accountant. Heavenly feeling. And they respect what they have for the institution. What respect I have for them is just awesome. I just gave them one t-shirt. They came to the office. Our first talk, yes, we feel more better compared to what you call other dresses. That's the happiness what we are carrying, and so happy for the kids like that and the growth what they're having. So happy. So you can also have. So all the best to each one of you. Keep rocking, keep enjoying. God bless you all. Thanks to YouTube viewers.